In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Todoist tasks with Workflow's Todoist. We're going to walk through how to enable the Task Helper integration inside Todoist so you can quickly create and manage tasks using workflows. Make sure you're already logged into your Todoist account in your browser, then follow along. First, look at the top right corner of your Todoist screen and click on your profile name or avatar. This is usually a small circle with either your initials or a photo. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down, click on Settings. This will open a new window or panel where you can customize how Todoist behaves for your account. Settings is where all your account and app configuration lives, so it's the right place to manage integrations like workflows. Once the Settings window is open, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Integrations. This section is specifically designed to help you connect Todoist to other tools and add-ons. It's where you'll see any apps you've already connected, as well as new ones you can explore. Inside Integrations, you'll see different tabs. Click on the tab labeled Browse. This is the area where you can discover new integrations and extensions that enhance Todoist. Think of it like an app store for your Todoist account. Now, in the Browse section, you want to find something called Task Helper. You may see a list of popular or recommended integrations, or you might have a search bar at the top. If you have search, type in Task Helper to find it quickly. Otherwise, scroll through the list until you see Task Helper listed as an option. When you see Task Helper, click on it to open its details page. Here, you'll usually find a short description of what it does and how it helps you create tasks more efficiently with workflows, along with any permissions it needs. Take a quick moment to scan this so you understand what you're enabling. On the Task Helper details page, click on the Add button. This is what actually connects Task Helper to your Todoist account. After you click Add, Todoist may ask you to confirm that you want to proceed or allow certain access. This is normal for integrations. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. These might include confirming your account, allowing permissions, or walking through a brief setup or tutorial. Just continue clicking through and accepting the options that match how you want to use Task Helper. Once you finish those prompts, the integration will be active and you'll be ready to start creating Todoist tasks with Workflow's Todoist.